What up, 803 Whip Gangs? Man, y'all see it, day 4. We back out here. Project OBS still underway. If you missed day 3, we got the bed off. We're about to get this thing purple powered down, pressure wash. We're gonna get the gas tank dropped. And we're gonna get this frame hit, man. Y'all wait around for it. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, man. And drop a comment if you're rocking with your boy, man. Project OBS underway. Let's go. Yes, sir. We're gonna get a fun little project right here. All right, man. We got this thing pressure washed. We're gonna let it dry. Got the gas tank cleaned off. About to get it dropped. I'll wait around for it. We gotta get this gas tank off, y'all. Ooh, this thing funky. All right, y'all, we back. I had to go get a mask. This gas is funky. It's that 1994 gas. That's this thing. I had cough for some backup. Y'all see it, man. We got the tank out. I had to call for some reinforcements. Sunshine say, Pop, I ain't gonna let you do it by yourself. Next, we're gonna hook that thing up. Trying to get this metal looking like something. All right, man, y'all see it. We are done for the day. Project OBS. We're working on the frame. We're just getting rid of the surface rust. Get it nice and smooth. Hit it with that secret sauce primer and get it coated. Y'all wait around, man. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Hey, and drop a comment, man. I know I've been gone, but we back. We ain't going nowhere. 90-day DIY build, backyard build. We ain't even got a garage. We in the backyard with it. Man, y'all stay tuned.
And this is just a primer that we're just trying to cover up so we don't get no surface rust overnight.